Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027, how to change dimension units. So if you want to change dimension units, you can type DWG unit and press enter. Now you can see the unit's length in this drawing is number 3. It means the dimension unit will be set to the millimeters. If you want to change to meters, you can set into 6. So you can type 6, press enter, enter, enter again until done. So the dimension units will be changed into meters. To change again, like to millimeter, you can type DWG units, enter, and then set into number 3 to change to millimeter. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to change dimension units.